Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Smart Living once again. In today's video, we are discussing LinkedIn ads and the advertising called LinkedIn. So you will get to know that what is LinkedIn ads and how do it work and what are the benefits which we can get from LinkedIn ads. So stay tuned and don't skip the video, don't skip any part, don't go anywhere. If you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload any new video. So going back to the topic, today we are discussing what is LinkedIn ads and I will explain it very nicely in details so you can get the benefits from it. Well, LinkedIn Ads is a paid marketing tool that offers access to LinkedIn social networks through various sponsored posts and other methods. LinkedIn Ads is a powerful marketing tool for B2B companies to build leads, online recognition, share content, and more. To grow in the professionals market, companies have to use LinkedIn marketing to achieve it, and with LinkedIn ads promote their presence on the platform. LinkedIn ads provide many benefits to companies, not just for added reach and recognition, but for the opportunity to increase sales, hire talented people, and be a part of an industry's social media presence. Being part of LinkedIn can have positive effects on growing organically online. Now let's know why to advertise on LinkedIn, the social network for professionals. LinkedIn is a social media for professionals and their users are mostly using it to connect with other professionals for work-related topics. The best benefit of LinkedIn ads for businesses is the ability to reach specific business-related goals with online advertising easier. Well, number 2, increase visibility to your brand online. LinkedIn ads. Building a brand online is a strong strategy for marketing to implement. LinkedIn ads can help in building a sustainable and trusted brand online in the professional markets. LinkedIn ads should be included in your B2B marketing strategy if you want to build an online presence in the B2B markets. A trusting and strong expert brand online will help your other marketing strategies succeed as well. LinkedIn ads provide a solution for getting quality leads at scale, whatever the end goal of an advertising campaign is, whether it's sales or anything else. Well, the third benefit is boost the number of quality leads with lead generation forms. Choosing a conversion campaign and lead generation forms can drive more leads to your business through advertising. Lead generation forms are pre-filled forms that are attached to your LinkedIn advertising campaign, available for sponsored content and message ads. LinkedIn ads targeting. With LinkedIn ads, you can target by job titles, locations, industry, level of education, and more. By far, LinkedIn targeting offers its best benefit of a unique spin for online advertising that is advertising for purely professional needs. Access to reaching high-quality audiences can be difficult in other online advertising channels. Reach a professional audience that is older, more educated, and has access to more income. For business purposes, targeting by the job titles and more allows you to tighten your targeting option to match. Start by having a clear objective with targeting and narrow it down from there without narrowing it too much. Narrowly targeted campaign will not reach as many users and it can hurt your campaign as there isn't enough data for optimization. Well, number 5, testing with targeting options and audiences. To find the best balance of targeting options and the right audiences for your goals and campaigns, you will have to test different variables in your audiences to find what works the best for you. Start with two similar campaigns and only changing variables within targeting to find what targeting options are for best for the wanted goals. By testing audiences, you will increase your reach, impressions, and results from your campaign. Gaining access to an audience that works for you can be highly valuable to your business down the line. Number 6. Matched audiences and custom targeting. Matching audiences enables you to advertise for a very targeting set of your audience. Matching audiences utilize the data you have for building strong goals-based retargeting campaigns. Matched audiences can be created with account targeting, website retargeting, contact targeting. Now let's talk about LinkedIn ads formats. LinkedIn offers a variety of different advertising formats that can be used in its advertising. For building your successful LinkedIn ads campaign, the key is to find the best ad format for every goal. No matter which combinations of ad formats are the most successful for you, always keep in mind clear call to action. Number 2, matching content to targeting. Number 3, promote your business profitably. Number 4, offer value and quality that gives a reason for a read or click. Well, number 7 is LinkedIn message ads. Message ads is a private message sent to your wanted target group and can be seen in users' messaging on LinkedIn. The ad can be displayed on all placements and platforms. Message ads are more personalized as the users receive messages directly to their inbox. The personalized messages will increase interaction with the ad, and with a good ad copy, it will lead to a conversion or a click. Well, on number 8, LinkedIn ads costs and budgeting. Yes, the most important, we are talking about the cost of LinkedIn ads. LinkedIn is cost-effective and result-based advertising solution for your business. LinkedIn advertising is paid either pay per click or per 1,000 impressions and cost per cent. The cost of LinkedIn ads is managed with budgets. Number 9, LinkedIn Ads Analytics. As in other ad platform, LinkedIn offers in its ad solutions analytics to improve your results and overall performance of your ad campaigns. Utilizing collected data from ad campaigns can improve your overall performance of your other marketing strategies as well. Number 10, LinkedIn Website Demographics. With installing website demographics LinkedIn Insight tag, you can see the different user types visiting your website. You can gain relevant and valuable data of professionals for analysis and improve your marketing with targeted content, such as job titles, job seniority, company names, company size, industries, or country. Number 11, key metrics of LinkedIn ads campaign. LinkedIn ads are optimized by analyzing key metrics of campaigns. Key metrics for optimizing campaign performance like, for example, clicks, click-through rate, average engagement, comments, shares, and likes, conversions, conversion rates, leads, cost per lead. And the last, number 12, is tracking conversions in LinkedIn ads. Tracking custom conversions in LinkedIn ads requires the installation of LinkedIn Insight tags on your website and setting up the conversion tracking feature in the campaign menu. Conclusion: LinkedIn ads is a great addition to companies' online marketing strategy. It has many benefits to many types of businesses that can fully utilize the potential of LinkedIn ads. Well, dear friends, thank you so much for watching, and this video was fully about LinkedIn ads. I hope you liked the video. If you do so, then please do like and do share with your friends and family, and do subscribe for more. Take care. Bye bye.